Hey everyone, ever dreamed of making real money online without spending a dime? What if I told you a side hustle could bring in up to $2,752 every single month? This isn't some complicated scheme. It's super easy to get started, and the best part? It's available worldwide. You can get paid through crypto or a variety of other convenient methods, and the minimum withdrawal is tiny, so you see your earnings fast.
Just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, it's gonna come right on your inbox. Okay,
to sign up is quite easy and self-explanatory. Just go over to wisesense.com or use the link in the description of this video. Once you sign up, complete tasks and accumulate money, which you can withdraw anytime. Imagine boosting your income just by doing simple tasks in your spare time. Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or looking for extra cash, Wisense is a game changer. Don't just dream about financial freedom. Go check out wisense.com now and start earning.